Kurumjari, Namaste, hello, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I will be taking you guys to some new places that we tried. It was a fun day. Had a small bit of mukbang, and actually it's going to be a fun mukbang. See? And then to top it off, when we came back, the auto design, just look at it, the LED.
Hi guys. So we're going outside for dinner.
Say loudly.
Yeah. So we're going outside for dinner and it's just 6:30, 6:45, 7. But we are leaving so early because it's going to be hell traffic. So we thought we'll leave early. So at least by 7:30 or 8 we can reach and have food. We're really hungry after a very long day. So see you at the shop.
It was around 6:45 p.m. when we stepped out for a casual dinner plan. First, a short walk through the buzzing streets, then hop into an auto, our go-to ride for quick trips to the city. The roads were alive with honks, headlights, and the classic Coimbatore traffic hustle.
Usual auto rides. कार उठना तो मैंडेटरी है. चलो पहुंच जाते हैं पहले. पहुंच तो गए. निकले तो है टाइम से पहुंच जाए बस. वापस नहीं आना है.
There is something oddly comforting about watching the world rush by while you are on your way to good food, right? So here we go, hungry, curious, and excited for what the night holds. Our original plan, the plan was to have food at Bahubali dosa. We were all set for that epic, overloaded dosa. But life had other plans. The shop was gone, just like that. So, with hungry hearts and confused faces, we began exploring the area.
So it's almost going to be an hour and we have still not reached Coimbatore.
And that's when we spotted a new cart glowing in the night, Adi Kadi. It was colorful, it was buzzing, and the smell irresistible. We decided to give it a shot, and trust me, this unexpected discovery was the highlight of our night. While we were deciding what to order, we watched the chef at Adi Kadi work his magic on other orders. Looks like egg chaat, it looks like a desi twist on street-style comfort food, and trust me, the aroma itself was enough to make our mouths water. Boiled eggs, chopped up and tossed with spicy chutneys, onions, masalas, and a dash of lemon. Next up is our order. It came packed with a spicy patty loaded with sauce, onions, and that extra street style crunch you won't find in a typical cafe burger. Yum! Just when we thought the food trial could not get any more interesting, we spotted Quail Egg Omelette on sticks. Yes, you heard that right. Tiny, flavored, packed quail eggs turned into an omelette and served like kebabs. Each stick had soft, spicy omelette slots, perfectly cooked, well seasoned, and super fun to eat. It was something totally different from the usual street food scene, and honestly, such a smart snack idea. If you ever come across this, don't skip it. These little sticks were bursting with big flavor.
Do we look disappointed? Because we're actually disappointed. We came for a shop looking for that, and I guess it shut down or something. It was called Bahubali dosa. It's very famous over here in Coimbatore. We came to taste their food, and apparently the shop is closed. So here we are in the streets of Coimbatore, finding good street food and exploring. So far we have found one place, the one we showed before, and now we are exploring more.
So the search began, roaming the lanes, checking out boards, scrolling through maps, and just when we were about to give up, there it was, a warm glow above us, lights twinkling from a rooftop. We looked up and spotted Cupello Cafe. Roof vibes, fairy lights, and that peaceful cafe mood.
My God!
So, in this cafe, we have coffee, fried chicken, burger, sandwich, milkshake, momos, pasta, Maggi, and fresh juice. And the time is still 3 a.m.
Oh, they're open till 3 a.m.
At Cupello Cafe, there is no waiting in line. You simply scan the QR code at your table, browse the menu, and place your order right from your phone. I decided to try something new at Cupello Cafe, their Bischoff coffee. It came with that rich cookie butter flavor and a beautiful balance of espresso and sweetness. A real treat. One sip and I could actually taste the biscuit in the coffee. It's like dessert in a cup. It's mukbang time again, and today it's all about sandwiches. Crunchy, cheesy, spicy, we have got it all lined up. The flavors are bold, the bread is perfectly toasted. Tell me in the comments, are you team grilled cheese or team overloaded sandwich? I am officially stuffed and happy. If you enjoyed eating with me today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe.
खाना खा लिया है पेट भर के. Our tummy is full after getting disappointed. So we are heading back, waiting for the auto. Roger. Roger that. Roger.
Okay, wait. This isn't just an auto ride. This is a full-on disco on wheels. Look at those LED lights. Only in India you can ride looking like a party and also a roller coaster at the same time. After stuffing ourselves with so much of food, now we are vibing in this LED lit rickshaw. Life is good. And that is the end of today's adventure. If you enjoyed this foodie journey, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. More tasty adventures coming your way soon. Bye.